Kung bibitiwan lang ng Iran ang kanilang nuclear ambition, tapos agad ang gera ayon kay US President Donald Trump. Kasabay nito, kasado na rin ang peace talks sa pagitan ng Israel at Lebanon. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Laika Cuevas.
This whole thing is really about no nuclear. They cannot have a nuclear weapon. And if they're going to have a nuclear weapon, we'll be living with them for a little while, but I don't know how much longer they can survive.
Nasa Iran na raw ang bola kung magtatagumpay ang peace talks nito sa Amerika. Pumali ang unang round ng negosasyon sa Pakistan dahil sa nuclear ambition ng Tehran. Noong isang linggo, nagkasundo ang magkabilang panig sa 2-week ceasefire. Pero tinabla ng White House ang mga ulat na nanghihingi ng extension ng Amerika.
And it's obviously in the best interest of Iran to meet the president's demands. I think he's made his red lines in these negotiations very clear to the other side, and so we are continuing to see how these conversations go.
Inanunsyo naman ni Trump na magsisimula na bukas ang peace talks sa pagitan ng Israel at Lebanon. Welcome news ito para sa UN.
The meeting constitutes an important first step to end the hostilities and towards breaking the recurrent rounds of violence that have caused considerable suffering for too long. Maintaining dialogue will be essential in resolving outstanding issues and achieving progress towards stability.
Kasado man ang peace talks, patuloy pa rin daw ang opensiba ng Israel laban sa Iran-backed Hezbollah.
In talks with Lebanon, there are two main objectives: dismantling of Hezbollah and sustainable peace that is achieved through strength.
Una nang hiniling ni Trump sa Israel na maghinay-hinay muna sa pag-atake sa Lebanon at baka madiskaril ang ceasefire sa Iran. Para sa agenda, Laika Cuevas, Billionaire News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.